I don't understand how have you right to give someone else property. Lomov says to Chubukov that he cannot give anyone's property to the peasants. Chubukov, you may take that. I know whether I have the right or not. Because, young man, I am not used to being spoken to in that tone of voice, and so on. Young man, am twice your age and ask you to speak to me without agitating yourself and all that. Chubukov says that I am older than you and you are talking so disrespectfully with me. It's not a manner to talk to a gentleman. Lomov, no, you just think I am fool and I want to have me on. You call my land you call my land yours and then you want me to talk to you calmly and politely. Good neighbors don't behave like that. Stepan Stepanovich, you are not a neighbor, you are a land grabber. Lomov says that you are taking my land, occupying my land, and you expect that I will treat very politely to you. It will not happen. You are not a neighbor, you are a land grabber. Chubukov, what's that? What did you say? Natalia, Papa, send the movers out to the meadows at once. Natalia says that send the grass cutter to the meadows. Chubukov, what did you say, sir? Chubukov asked Lomov, what have you said? Natalia, oxen meadows are ours. I shan't give them up. Shan't give them up. Shan't is the full form or short form of the shall not. Shan't give them up. Natalia says that I will not give that land to anybody because that land is her. Lomov, we shall see. I'll have the matter taken to court and then I'll show you. Then Lomov threatens Chubukov and Natalia. I will bring the matter to the court and there I will show the documents. I will prove it that that land is not theirs but that land belongs to him. Chubukov, to the court? You can take it to court and all that. You can. I know you are just on looking out for the chance to go to court and all that. You petty fogger. All your people were like that. All of them. And Chubukov says that you were only trying to find out a chance to bring the matter in the court. You are not a good neighbor. You are a pettifogger. Lomov, never mind about my people. Lomovs have all been honorable people and not one has ever tried for embezzlement like your grandfather. Lomov says that all the people belonging to the Lomov family, they are respectable people. They are not just cheat people like your grandfather. Chubukov also abuses and accuses the family of Lomov and says you Lomov have had lunacy. Lunacy means madness in your family, all of you. And he calls the family of Lomov as mad. Natalia, all. Chubukov, your grandfather was a drunkard and your younger aunt Natasha Mihailovna ran away with an architect and so on. Chubukov says that your grandfather was a drunkard and your younger aunt ran away with an architect. Now Lomov and Chubukov began to accuse to one another's family. Lomov, your mother was a humbagged, clutches at his heart, something pulling in my side, my head help water, and Lomov has the very hard attack of the palpitation and he began to feel uneasy. Chubukov, your father was a guzzling gambler. Chubukov accuses that your father was a gambler. Natalia, and there haven't been many backbiters to equal your aunt. Natalia also accuses that your aunt had been a great backbiter. Backbiter means one who talks ill of others in his or her absence. That person is known as the backbiter, chaplus. Chubukov, my left foot has gone to sleep. You are an intriguer. Intriguer means one who makes conspiracy, षड्यंत्रकारी. Oh, my heart. It's an open secret that before last election, you bribe, I can see stars, wear my hat. And look, here Chubukov should not be here, Lomov. Lomov feels very uneasy. He says that I am watching stars in the day. I am feeling very uneasy. But he says that you all are intriguer. Intriguer means one who makes plans against someone else. Natalia, it's low, it's dishonest, it's mean. Chubukov, you are just a malicious, double-faced intriguer. Yes. Lomov, here is my hat. Here is my hat, my heart. Which way? Where is the door? Now he felt very uneasy, and he felt a great nervousness, and he shouts, "Oh, I think I am dying. My foot is quite numb." Numb means soon. Goes to the door. Now Lomov started moving towards the door. He is going outside the house of Chubukov and Natalia. Chubukov, following him, don't set foot in my house again. Chubukov says that, go out from my house and never come back again. Natalia, take it the court, we shall see. Natalia says also, take the matter to the court, we shall see there. Lomov staggers out. Lomov starts moving in a stumbling way. Chubukov, devil take him. Walks about in excitement. Natalia, what rascal? What rascal means here? Very mean fellow, wicked person. What trust can one have in one's neighbors after that? Chubukov, the villain, the scarecrow. Scarecrow, it is a something made in the field to scare the crows. That statue is known as the scarecrow. Natalia, the monster, first he takes our land and then he has impudence to abuse us. Impudence means here rudeness. Natalia says that first he has come and he says that that land is his, and now he is just abusing our family. He is very low and mean and vile people. Chubukov, and the blind hen eyes, turnip ghost, has confounded cheek to make proposal, and so on. What a proposal. Now Chubukov discloses to Natalia that this turnip ghost, this blind hen, has come to propose his daughter for the marriage. Now Natalia comes to know that Lomov has come to her house to propose her for the marriage. Because Chubukov first time did not directly disclose that he has come to propose her for the marriage. Natalia, what proposal? Chubukov, why he came here to propose you? Natalia, to propose to me? Why didn't you tell me so before? Chubukov, so he dresses up in the evening clothes and stuffed sausages at the vision faced from. Now Chubukov says that you have seen that he was in formal dress, he was wearing coat, pant and gloves, and with that dress you should guess that he has come to propose you for the marriage. Natalia's love aroused and she says to propose to me, falls into an easy chair and wails. Wails means start crying. Bring him back, bring him back, bring him back. Chubukov, bring whom here? Natalia, quick, quick, I am ill, fetch him. Hysterics. Natalia feels very uneasy. She fell down on the armchairs and she compels her father go and fetch him back, because I am also in his love. Her inner love arouses for Lomov. Chubukov, what's that? What's the matter with you? Clutches at his head. Oh, unhappy man that I am. I'll shoot myself. I'll hang myself. We have done for her. Chubukov accuses himself that it is very bad to be the father of a grown-up girl, because first she will quarrel and after that she will compel me to go and fetch him back. He curses himself and says that I will kill myself, I will hang myself like that. Natalia, I am dying. Go and fetch him back. Fetch means bring. Chubukov, fool, at once, don't yell. Chubukov says that don't shout like that. Runs out, pause. He goes to fetch back the Lomov. Natalia, Stepnova wails. She is crying. Wail means crying. What have they done to me? Fetch him back, fetch him back. She is insisting again and again her father, go and fetch Lomov back. A pause. Chubukov runs in. Chubukov runs to the Lomov. Chubukov, he is coming, and so on. They will take him out and talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Chubukov informs Natalia that Lomov is coming back, but I will not talk to him. Only you will talk to him. Natalia wails. Wails means cries. Fetch him. Chubukov yells. He is coming. Don't cry. I tell you, what a burden, Lord, to be the father of grown-up daughter. I'll cut my throat. I will indeed. We cursed him, abused him, and drove him, and it's all you. And Chubukov curses himself, says that it is very bad to be the father of a grown-up daughter. First, she has fought with him, and thereafter she cursed him, abused him, and drove him out from the house, and now she is compelling me to go and fetch him back. Natalia, no, it's you. Natalia says that no, I didn't say any word to Lomov. Father, you had done all these things. Chubukov, I tell you, it's not my fault. Lomov appears at the door. Now you talk to him yourself.